Right. Okay then. There is my pigtail and the chicken foot. Chicken foot is there. So I'm gonna put in my red peas in it. This is just the pressure cooker. Oops, something fell up. The pressure cooker. So we're gonna put this in there and I will cook it until they become very soft. Then I will transfer it into this big pot because I'm gonna give my neighbor some. This is Jamaica. When you're in Jamaica, we always cook for not myself alone, but from us, from my neighbor as well. So make sure go get the big pot and I'm gonna cook so my neighbor can get some as well. This is how we do it here. So I have yam, I have dasheen, I have two potato here, I have sweet potato, I have pumpkin, okra, and look over here, that's my dumpling, my flour over here. I have also my cock soup. So this is a red pea soup with pigtail and chicken foot in it. Guys, trust me, when I finish with it from scratch, you will see. Oh, I still have something left in the bag. Look, I have cocoa and chocho. This is gonna be a rich soup, so I'm gonna cook and my neighbor will enjoy as well. I just told my neighbor, look, you don't cook today. I will do the cooking, so I will just have enough for everyone will get today. See, it's a big pot. Me and Aisha alone can eat all this food. So, a lot of food now. So, I will close this. While I close this, I can go and do some editing. And we'll be back later on. Okay? There you go. That's how we do it in Jamaica. See you later, guys. I will show you when I finish later on what it looked like. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Making my dumpling now, guys. I already peeled the yam already inside. The dasheen and everything. Aisha, help me as well. What did you do?
Me? Oh, cut the okra. Put the the yam, pumpkin in the pot.
Ready?
And stir.
One thing I like to do now is make a few dumplings. We call it the kegs.
Dumplings.
Yard style. Yard style.
Come on then, Master Chef.
Yard style. Next time I cook for you is gonna be in the river.
Yes. Can't beat your cooking. Your cooking's so
We actually plan to go and do a cooking up in St. Thomas at the river with my son. I'll spend time with my son. He's very kind. Always nice to have a kind son. Somebody who really care about you. You know? Very good guys. Well disciplined. Big up yourself, brains. Big up yourself, Mr. You're the real G. How can I forget? Dylan. Big up yourself, Dylan. Real police officer, you know. Look at that. Make sure you see my dumpling them. Make sure you see your teeth them good. Because I'm gonna be very tough. Come over here. Ready? I don't think you're gonna need
Any more water?
any more. You can turn this one off. See that? Inside there. Come over here. See that? My neighbors, trust me, when I finish, I'm gonna full a pot for them. Yeah, alright, then let's make dumpling now. Alright. So, spin it around like this. Look at that. So go in the middle. Dumpling. Trust me. Look at this. So, one for me. Always myself first.
This must be ladies first.
Not when I'm cooking. Must be. Yes, always. You're gonna have to love yourself first before you can love someone. So I'm always gonna look after myself first. Yeah? Okay. Then one for Aisha.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Was that a big thick one?
Big one. That's
You know, I like your dumplings.
We call it, you know, we call them back in when I was growing up and cooking, because, you know, we're a farmer. We call them, make them the keg wheel. We call them like the keg wheel because they make big, you know, see? The kegs. It's like I call it a wheels. Yeah. Okay. This is it. You know, today we was planning to go to Dunn's River Fall after finish cook. Well, I don't think it's possible today. We're not gonna go to Dunn's River today. We'll go a different day because the ship is in today, and when the ship is in Dunn's River Falls, it's very, very busy day. That's our next
Trip.
our next trip is in Dunn's River Fall to climb up the rock.
It's impossible to do with there's loads of people there.
Yeah. Well, you can do with more people because you hold hands together and climb the rock. But because the ship is in and people are in a rush, sometimes it's best for you to go when it's a bit quiet. Then you can get to, you know, do my pictures and
Have more
have a little bit
experience.
of time for yourself.
Have more experience as well.
Yeah. But the fall, yeah, climbing the fall is always good. Yeah. You know, the amount of places in Jamaica for you to go is gonna take you 50, even 100 holidays a year. Never. Jamaica is just different from most country. Never run out of option of new places to go. Always somewhere nice because Jamaica is a fun country. That's why the world gravitate to Jamaica. So big up all the real Jamaicans, especially in the tourist sector, who actually give the world a good treatment. So the world will always want to come back, despite the loads of propaganda what, you know, these big Uncle Sam want to say. You know, when he just feel a bit, when Uncle Sam feel a bit insecure. But Uncle Sam shouldn't be insecure of Jamaica. Jamaica is a little baby to Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam is a big man, big guy, with everything that the world gravitates is in America. Is that Uncle Sam? So, you know, you should just be better and try to have a little bit, not even say sympathy, but have something in your heart and know that Jamaica, we are coming from afar. We are children of the slaves. And we hold up our head. Jamaican, the country, they hold their head up. Because, you know, if you look back in history, Jamaica struggled a lot. But yet today I am a pro-Jamaica to Jamaican, you know, say Jamaica have, you know, move move a long way. Jamaica have moved a long way. Yes. See, I don't remember the names. So much people I'm cooking for today. But I know we have more than enough. Yes, you see the pigtail up there? That is it.
Delicious.
They said last picnic kill mother, but it's not true. This is the last one. Shia. That is it. Okay. Restore it. Look at that, guys. You know what? Leave him making bubble now. So stay tuned. When it's in the plate and you eat it, you will see it. See you later on. Bye.
Peace out.
Alright guys, this is the next step. See that? Pot is bubbling. So now I'm gonna season the pot. I'll put in my noodles, a cock soup inside there. So put my cock soup in the pot. That is it. Store it. Keep on storing it. We call it soup in Jamaica, but in Europe people call it the stew. Some people call it stew. But trust me, this is rich. I will allow it, when you're cooking soup, just allow it to cook enough to let the food inside mash a bit so it can give the soup a nice body. I like my soup to be thick. Like it thick?
Mm-hmm. Smells so nice.
Look at the pumpkin in there. Wow. Right then. Next thing, let me get some all-purpose seasoning. Okay, all-purpose.
That's it. No, it's not ready.
Let's keep it. What is this? Black pepper and all-purpose. Oh, still have some from there, right?
There you go. Is it?
All-purpose season. I think I'll buy a different all-purpose, you know? Oh, look at this. Oh my God, we have so much food here. When we left, there's a lot of food gonna be here. Okay, so let's see now. Get this thing up. Okay, that's better. You sure you didn't buy all-purpose the other day?
That is all purpose. That's the only one we bought.
Alright. All-purpose season. Okay. Season my pot.
It smells so nice.
Yeah. Season my pot. Season it. Wow. This is a banging soup. Aisha would have said banging.
That's what Don said. It smells banging.
Banging soup. Alright? So,
Did you put any pepper in?
yeah, I've been a bit. Just let me do it step by step.
Oh my God, man. Oh, if you could smell through the screen.
I should buy some fresh thyme this morning and didn't do that.
It's okay.
That's the time. I know I should do what you just slipped me this morning. Sometimes I can't remember everything. Alright then. Okay. The muscadian here. Make some spice. These are from St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth have the best Kellen, you know. We buy them from these St. Elizabeth people last week. They're very nice Kellen. Even today, where is that now? Oh, chopping board. So, yeah, the pot.
Pot is bubbling.
Pop is bubbling. Hey, hey. Bubbling, bubbling. Say the pot is bubbling. I'm telling you something, when we finish eating this soup today, I'm telling you. I'm going for a sleep.
I can already feel it coming. I can feel the food coming on.
I'm telling you. Can't go for hours and eat. Since I come here, my belly start to swell up. Make sure to wash it. Wash that. Countryman style. Countryman style. You know, when I was growing up, we don't have any KFC. We're from the countryside. So when we want to eat, we have to go buy some flour and tin mackerel or chicken back. So that's why this is how we learn to cook. You know? And when my father cook, when my father at the farm, and we have to cook for the man, for the men, yeah? We have to cook some big pot. You know? This in my yard because my father, we grew up in like a big yard in them days, you know. So it was 9 of us. My dad and mom have 9 of us. So the black pepper need to get the lemon. So guys, as I was saying, it was 9 of us. So imagine we cooking for my parents is cooking for nine people. So 9 children plus parents. So that's 11 plus the district. So the whole district will come and eat. The guys who work with my dad. So make sure I put in a hot Scotch bonnet in there. This one is nice, but look, try don't burst it in there.
Look at the size of that Scotch bonnet.
So, you know something, we will have, every day we cook at my yard, we will have at least 20 people eat from our pot. Because my dad will never cook out a small pot, we used to cook in a big pot. You know who used to take off our pot? There was a guy named Donovan. Donovan used to be like 6.5 foot tall. No little boy can take off our pot. Some giant pot were big like the cooker we used to cook in. And Budgie. You have this guy called Budgie. Big up to Budgie anyway, Budgie is. So we come from big yard, we understand about food. And my dad teach me, say look, whenever you're cooking, always never cook for yourself. Always cook and leave enough. Have enough, that means somebody will pass by. So this is all. So today I'm cooking for the village. Over there we have the neighbor. You know, they're nice people. They're like a family to me. Big up to Kevin and Angia. It's like I know you guys. It's like I know you guys for a very long time.
For about 20 years.
About 20 years, you know.
That's how it feels like we've known her for.
Yeah, you see, coming to Jamaica, coming here, you guys didn't even know us. but you treat us like a family. You're our neighbor. Big up to Mama Aris.
Big up.
Then and you know what? Big up to RG, even though she can't talk.
Yes.
Yes, man, cause RG come and spend like long time with us over here. And we watch 6 bars.
A lot of YouTube.
What are YouTube? So you see that, guys? Now we put in the okra. This is a nice soup. I'm telling you, we're not doing it, we're doing it good, you know.
It smells so nice.
Yes, we're not no joke thing this. You see me? No joke thing this. A real thing. You see that? You see the texture in it? Joke thing this, you know. I'll tell you that. You see me? That's one of the things. I'm glad the day when you learn to cook. That's why my machine still a work and I work properly, because I live in England for many years. Mr. Man left from Jamaica and come to England. And after 6 months, them a cry say their machine and work and their wife a feed them out of frozen food. See, this guy was our ex-policeman come to England. You know. I received one day, the man a screw up his face and I said to him, said, Robert said to him, said, "What go on glasses?" They call him glasses. "What's the matter with you?" And he must say, "Whoa, boy, the machine now work, you know." So we say, "What you mean say the machine now work?" He must say, "Boy, 6 months now the machine now work, you know." So we say, "What happened?" She married one white lady, he blame the woman, say the woman now cook for him. So Robert said to him, say, "Then you don't drive, man, your wife buy your car, why you not go a market go get a couple of banana and fish?" He must say, "Boy, who? You see when me meet my wife, on the plane me meet her, you know. And you see me give her one out of the machine, bro." See the wife married him and take him to England, and now the wife will feed him out of frozen food. But me I show you, say a lazy man that. So he was a policeman in Jamaica before, saying, you know, it's like he get reluctant and he don't want to go do things himself. Big up all to all of the independent police officer who learn to cook and not depend on no woman to teach them what to cook. You have to cook for yourself and look after yourself. Especially when you live Jamaica. When you live at Jamaica, woman cook for you, but when you go a foreign and every foreign woman can cook like the way you want it. So you can't go to Jamaica, can't go a foreign and expect foreign woman to cook your Jamaican food. You must learn to cook. You see me? And one thing I will remind you about, every woman that me ever did, no matter how skinny them be, as soon as after 6 months they become a fridge. Spread out.
What are you trying to say?
Feed them.
I'm a fridge.
Like a fridge ass. Big up yourself. So that is it for now, guys. Now we give him about 15-20 minutes and that ready to go on the plate. And I'm sure that my neighbor is gonna love it. I don't even have to taste it, because me have confidence in myself when it comes to cooking. Bam. See you later. Remember to share and subscribe. Put it here. Guys, look at this. This is what I'm saying to you. Look at this. You see the richness. You see the richness. This soup is rich like the royal family. Wow. Look at that. Let me taste the soup. Wow. It's beautiful. I'm not even gonna let you see where I'm eating, because it's not a good habit. But let me tell you, it is lovely, beautiful. I already take Kevin's to him, big pot. The food is sweet, even though we use salted pigtail. The soup is not salted. It's nice, just right texture, the right flavor. Always yours. Do you like it?
Yes, nice.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the dumpling. The chicken foot. Look at that. Eh? Have okras. Chocho. Wow. Guys, please, I'm not being rude. Just let me enjoy it in peace. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.